Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the unit. Check oil level and drain moisture from the tank to prevent contamination. Once done, confirm the air filter is clean and the correct voltage is available at a grounded outlet. Make sure hoses and fittings are tight, then attach the regulator and a pressure gauge. Set the regulator to 40-50 psi as a safe starting point. You do this because stable input pressure prevents spray inconsistencies and protects the pump from overwork. You now fine-tune the spray setup. Connect the paint cup, select the nozzle sized for your paint viscosity, and secure the fluid lines. Make incremental adjustments. Change regulator pressure, tweak atomization air, and adjust the fluid needle until the output is smooth. Once you see a stable bead, test on cardboard at your working distance to inspect the pattern. If the spray feathers or spits, make small pressure or needle adjustments until the fan and droplet size. You finish by flushing the system with the appropriate solvent and relieving tank pressure to avoid trapped air and damage. Make sure to wipe external surfaces and store the compressor upright in a dry place. After use, check for leaks, confirm oil level, and note motor temperature to catch issues early. If you get sputtering or uneven spray, first inspect the moisture trap and drain it. Then clean or replace the nozzle, and verify tank pressure is holding steady to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.